Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to reset your home screen layout to default on your Android phone and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. We can start by opening up the settings application on your Android device. For that, open it up, and once you open up your Android settings, you can scroll down and look out for the apps and notifications option and tap on it. After you tap on apps, so here you need to look out for your home screen layout setup app, your launcher for home screen layout. For Samsung devices, it is usually UI Home. One UI Home, you can look out for that, or System Launcher, which is this one right here, and tap on it. You can even look out for Pixel Launcher or similar kind of launcher that basically is used to set up your home screen layout. So once you find it out, what you can do is you can basically go ahead and clear the app's data. Look out for the option of storage. For that, look out for storage option and tap on it. After you tap on storage, you need to look out for the option of clearing data. So tap on clear data, and you just need to confirm it up. Click on OK, and once you confirm your decision when prompted, the home screen will be now reset to its default layout, and all of the customizations will be erased completely. And that is it. So therefore, everybody, if you'd like to reset your home screen layout as well, you may head over and follow up these steps for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.